Health is so much more than just fitness. And the Smartron tBand is so much more than a fitness band. It's a health guide that lets you live life to the fullest. But how do we use the tBand to its fullest? What's up guys, this is Nikhil from Smartron and this is the tBand how-to video. I'll take you through some of its important features and how to use them. But first, let's unbox it. So what we get in the box is a USB charging cable, a magnetic dock, a user's manual, and finally the Smartron tBand. The style-conscious can use commonly available universal 18mm straps to give their tBand a new look. For example, I just got this cool brown leather strap. Anyway, so that's what you get in the box. The only other thing you need is your phone, loaded with the tHealth app, which we'll come back to in a bit. Now out of the box, we need to charge the band. Just put it on the magnetic charging dock and plug the dock into any USB charging port. Wait for around half a minute and the tBand will come out of sleep. Fully charged, it should last through up to 2 days of uptime. Wearing the tBand right is super important. Wear the tBand firmly as it leads to better skin contact and that helps with accurate results. With the basics done, let's get to setup and pairing. Just download the tHealth app from your app store, register for your TronX ID if you don't have it already, and enter your physical details. Finally, we need to pair the tBand with our phone, Android or iOS. The process is fairly similar, so we will stick to one for this demo. Just switch on Bluetooth on your phone, double tap the metal touch on the tBand, fill in the code on the app and we are paired and ready to go. Now for the metal touch to work, we need to be wearing the band as the underside of the band needs to touch our skin. On the tBand, we have 4 screens. To navigate between these, just light touch on the metal touch to go to the next one. The first is the home screen, which shows us the time, the date, the battery level and a quick weather report. The next 3 screens monitor our health and fitness. The steps screen monitors the steps, calories and the walking distance over a day. It can also measure your performance during individual exercise sessions. Just long press the metal touch to start a session and the same to stop one. It will show and save a summary and get back to routine monitoring. To show the summary of the last session, just double tap the metal touch. The next 2 screens make the tBand super special. tBand has an inbuilt biosensor which can measure your ECG waveform and BP in combination with HRM sensor. If you face any issues with readings, try wearing the band 3 fingers away from the wrist joint and firmly. Now, I don't have hairy hands, but if you do, wear it like this. This helps with more accurate results. So first up is the heart rate screen which measures your heart rate, HRV, stress and fatigue levels. For heart rate, wait for 10 seconds on this screen. It will show the heart rate in BPM. For ECG, HRV, stress and fatigue. Just long press the metal touch and keep it that way for 2 minutes. Be relaxed and let it monitor. The result will be shown and then saved. Next is the ECG BP screen. tBand uses PWTT method to measure BP. It is recommended that you calibrate the PWTT in the settings on the app, especially if you have a history of abnormal BP. The rest of the process is the same. Simply press and hold the metal touch on tBand to begin BP measurement and do not move your wrist or finger for 30 seconds. Please bear in mind that although the tBand is safer and more comfortable, it is not to be used for diagnosis of any medical condition. It should be used to monitor your health progress. Alright, so where does all the data get saved? Yes, the tHealth app. The app saves and analyzes all the data collected by your tBand to show you meaningful information. The Home tab shows the summary including the health index, a number that lets you avoid all the clutter and monitor and evaluate your health and progress. It is calculated using data from all the 3 screens. Just sync the band to update the data and the health index will update itself. For specific data, the Trends tab show you your progress with activities, sleep and heart health. Bio tab shows you the results from HRVs and ECGs. HRV shows you the heart rate variability and stress and fatigue levels. It also tells you the meaning behind those numbers. Same for the PWTT tab, which shows your ECG and BP numbers. The exercise tab shows you the results from the exercise sessions like we saw, including the BPM graph. And finally, the settings tab shows, well, the settings. You can set alarms, change notifications, turn wrist detection on or off, which will turn on or off display when you lift your hand to see the time, reset or update the tBand, calibrate your PWTT, view tutorials, etc. And here are the recommended settings for the starts. You can use the tBand with the Google Fit and Apple Health apps. Just grant access to the tHealth app in your phone settings and you're done. As far as taking care of the tBand, well, just take care of it. It does have IP67 water resistant, so you can shower with it and not worry about the rain. Apart from that, don't throw it or abuse it. It's a great friend. And there we have it, guys. That's how we can use the Smartron tBand to monitor our health and wellness and manage our life right on our wrist. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Peace.